Is it okay to not eat after a run? Subscribe now, like, and share. To eat or not to eat? Before I get started, make sure you turn bell notifications on so you can get the latest content. If you're a regular exerciser, it's important to understand what happens when you don't eat enough after you work out. Most dietitians recommend eating something within 30 minutes after a workout. Your body, after using up its available energy, needs to be refueled, specifically with carbs and protein, for energy and to repair the microdamage that exercise does to your muscles. Skipping post-workout refueling can leave you feeling tired and foggy, and can get in the way of recovery. Like this video so I know the content that I provide you provides you value. Go for snacks or meals that have both carbs and protein. Sweet potatoes with Greek yogurt, toast with almond butter, and veggie omelets are all great for post-workout snacks. A piece of fruit or crackers for carbs with Greek yogurt, turkey, or nut butter for protein are all great ideas, too, and you find more by clicking the link in description. After particularly sweaty or long workouts, you might need to replenish electrolytes, too. Food also contains electrolytes, minerals our bodies need to keep the muscles and nerves firing correctly. Never overlook good old-fashioned hydration. If you're going to remember one thing, though, make it water. Water is the most important building block you need after a workout. Click the link in description to learn how to lose weight without running. And make sure to subscribe now, like this video, and share this video to your friends and family so everyone can get informed of this valuable information.